Hi there, I'm Jeff Schulze, Director of the Trade Programs here. We are at the Volt Center, standing out front here on 1st Street, and we're going to show you some of the great trades, hands-on training opportunities we have inside. Let's go. At the Volt Center here, we're going to provide hands-on training, whether it's in manufacturing, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, welding, small engine repair, forklift, the list goes on. Let's show you some of this. So here's some of the tools of the trade that we use in educating. For example, here our HVAC trainer unit teaches a lot of the basic refrigeration techniques and troubleshooting. We cover everything from CFC EPA refrigeration to troubleshooting to diagnostics in our HVAC programs. Our electrical program that we have here, we teach a lot of the residential wiring, from installing service panels to low voltage controls to high voltage controls. We cover everything, and it's all credentialed through NCCER, National Center for Construction and Education Research. Just to give you an idea of some of the hands-on training that's done, this entire unit behind you has been built by the students with the instructions by each of our individual instructors. We've got carpentry construction classes, skills that were put to work. We're teaching the latest HVAC technologies here. We're teaching all the electrical from the rough-in from the road all the way to inside the residential houses, and a little bit commercial. Understand, all these jobs are in high demand. Our employers are actually coming here trying to get students right outside of the class to get them working. So we have a manufacturing career pathway for you as well. For example, Bosch, Moen, or Dradora, they make the baskets for the dishwashers at Bosch. There's a pathway for you if you wanted to go into the assembly manufacturing process. Short classes here, as short as 16 hours, and we can get you a job interview at the manufacturing plant. All right, we're here outside the Small Business Center, but right adjacent to it here is the makerspace. We do a lot of hands-on trades in here, like the carpentry program, for example, the welding program. So let's head in here and you can see some of this as well. All our heavy power tools are in here. We do a lot of rough construction work here. Cutting up 2x4s, making frames for buildings like the shed you saw. We've got supplies, raw materials. On the other side, we're going to take you into the welding program so you can see some of the stations we have set up as well to teach the welding. The tools they use here, heavy duty equipment, large bandsaws here for cutting thick pieces of steel like you see here. We have individual workstations so everyone's working in a safe environment from any flashes, which if you don't know in welding will blind you rather quickly if you don't have your protective gear on. Look at this beautiful workstation here. Guess who built this? The welding students. So there is a lot of hands-on training that's being done. We also get projects for other programs we have here as well. So our students get a chance to do some hands-on work as well. I got one more cool place to show you. I'm going to take you to the diesel garage. Let's go. So we're sitting here in the new diesel shop. Classes just started in January 2021. Here's an example of a smaller diesel engine. These students will be working on these, ripping these apart and putting them completely back together. As you can see, we have lots of different types engines donated from Caterpillar, from Volvo. We have boat yacht motors coming, and we have a lot of certifications that come with these engines or with these classes as well. The workstations left and right side, we need a lot of space when we tear out these engines. So we're providing the students not only a nice wide open workspace in a great real world environment, but they're going to get some great hands-on training as well. So as you can see, we have some bays here where we can actually pull real live equipment in here though. With this diesel program, we teach diesel engines first, and then our second part will be diesel systems. As you can see, we've got old and new systems all around, and we even have refurbished systems. So here's something that's coming out, and again, the students will be tearing this stuff apart, figuring out how to troubleshoot, how to fix, and we will have a running engine when we're done with the programs here. Great space here for the diesel program. Great partnerships with everyone. Are you ready to sign up? We've got room for you. Come see us now.